What's up? I am English Place, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I use my guess how I use okay, sometimes it's buggy, this kind of I use Windows, by the way, kind of thing, it's a new thing I've started. As Linux can be as much customizable as you can have it to be. Windows, on the other hand, isn't much customizable. So I've made this. It's a kind of wallpaper environment like Hyperland. It's really cool actually. What I do is basically I use um yellow one. Let me see that up real quick. Yesp for this top bar. Okay, so first of all, what I wanna do is I wanna install Rainmeter. Okay, install OpenShell menu and install Yesp. These are the main things I want. By the way, you can check out the GitHub page, and I also use glazed window manager. I'll show you in a bit. Here's the glazed window manager. It auto rearranges. What I do is I just type in Yesp reborn. I go to the GitHub page real quick. Then you wanna get to this requirements JetBrains Mono. You wanna install that, okay? After you install it, you wanna go to downloads and you wanna extract it. And after extracting it, you wanna you wanna select all of this, right click and install those. Okay? Now what you want to do is just make your taskbar invisible. What you want to do is just go to Microsoft Store. There you can just type in translucent TV and install it right here. After install it, you want to run it. Okay, wait a bit, real quick. Okay, I'm back. As I was saying, about the taskbar, you wanna press. By the way, I want to show you my Glaze window manager. Let me just open up the settings by pressing Windows and I. It rearranges itself. Okay. Now for the taskbar, I would like to go to personalization. Go taskbar, copy all of these. Okay. Now you don't actually wanna lock your taskbar. What you wanna do is you wanna right click, and there will be some pinned applications. You wanna unpin all of those apps. Okay, unpin all of those apps. Now you'll be sweating right now, like, how would I access my applications? It's easy. By the way, after you unpin, you wanna lock the taskbar and make sure that everything is hidden or just turned off. Okay. Now, well, this toolbar, we don't need links. Okay. Now, as I was saying, we you copy all of these. Okay. After you do, you'll see that your taskbar has already become kind of clear now. Now you wanna go to turn systems icons. You wanna uncheck all of these. Okay, uncheck all of those. Now you wanna close that, and now your taskbar will see more clear than ever. Only this tray system tray kind of thing will just show up. Now what you wanna do is go to your start, go to your open shell menu settings, click that, and now what you wanna do is go to the start button and replace start button. Uh, what I actually did in here is I just got a random image like this right here, and go to the start menu. Okay, now replace start button. No, I didn't quite actually do that. Oh wait, I just see some things. Yeah, I just gave here your button size will be 0. I gave it 4, and now it's working as normal. And as you can see, your taskbar is now fully clear. Only the system tray is showing, and the application you're running is gonna run up here. Now let's go over to NeoFetch. I know it is for Linux only, but you can also install it. Okay, what you want to type in is winget install neofetch -win. Press enter, and you'll be greeted with the installation. After the installation, you want to run the neofetch, and here is your neofetch command. Unfortunately, I can't kind of lower the opacity or transparency of this command panel. Okay, now let's talk about YASP themes. Either you can go to your panel tray and go there. I think that is indeed the easiest way. Okay, now what you don't wanna do is you don't wanna change the this panel twice, because if you do so, then your transparent taskbar will go back to normal with an error message. Well, fortunately, we have a solution for that. You can just relaunch the transparent taskbar. Wait. You can just relaunch the transparent taskbar. Now, I wanna show you guys one thing, which, like, let's give this one. You don't wanna press download because it's a really big hassle. You wanna go to install, okay, and install. And now it'll install normally, like so. It's gonna work just fine. Now the Windows Explorer restarted twice in the last 30 seconds. Yes, like so, your transparent taskbar will be indeed gone like that. But it has um, solutions. By the way, at some point you will indeed get this kind of error message. Not error, actually, you can install it anyways. Who cares? Install anyways, and it's only going to show up like that. It's okay. My favorite so far is simple floating widgets. I want to install it anyways, like so. And yeah, sometimes they'll show these kind of shits, you know. You don't want to run into these. Uh, it's because of just the drop top 4 rainmeter skin that is installed. That's just dog shit. That's why I'm using this Yasp. By the way, the second one, my favorite, is this one. Install. Kind of gives me more the Hyperland vibe, but you know, I can't do much. And the third one that I mostly like is this. I also have the fourth one that I liked, you know, is the thing. And this actually launches your start menu, but I don't know why I don't quite like it, okay? I don't quite like it. And this is the fourth and last one that I like. Most of the things here are functional, which is indeed good for us, okay? And now, if you don't want the start menu to appear, what I do is, let me just install that firstly. Let's go to our tr translucent TB. Okay. What I normally do is go to view and show desktop icons. As you can see, there's a lot of these icons. If you ask me why, it's because of I drag all of my apps into my desktop, which you can also do. You just wanna go to Windows I settings, personalization, personalization. Okay, sorry, brain fart. By the way, you just want to disable that, minimize that real quick because we're going to need it. Now what I want to do is I drag the apps that I want, okay? If you can't drag an app that you want on the desktop, but you just can't, what I do is just any of the app, I just, like Yasp, I can't drag it. I don't know why. I just go there, right click, more, and open file location. And just right click, make a shortcut, and just drag it into the desktop. Now, as you can see, if I go to this menu, home, and here's the desktop icon. I can go to a desktop and just access all of my programs, like including with, let me just turn on that real quick. Like I can just go to a shortcut, theme shortcut. I can double click that and it will run like normal. And there is a lot of apps here. Okay, now normally I don't wanna go to the desktop here always, so what I just do is copy those and go to copy all of these and go to home folder and paste all of these, and I have the access to all of these. Okay, now we have this, so cool. Also have this specific, okay, this kind of shit, you know. And Okay, now dragging to here, it brings up the drop top 4. You know what? Let's uninstall the drop top 4 real quick. Dog shit. AI, Photoshop, Blender. Okay, now it just unloaded my skin. Okay, let's just go to home real quick. Spectrum 3. Dog shit. Okay, let's go rain meter. By the way, if you want, you can always go to your mouse cursor and drag into a wall like that. Go to at least corner, and you can indeed search. Okay, no big deal. Let's go rain meter. Okay, open. Didn't even work, man. This dog shit. Let's go layouts. Okay, favorites, no favorites. Spectrum 3. I just hate this. Okay, I hate it. I hate this Spectrum 3 shit, so, you know. Did I even uninstall the Spectrum 3 though? Yes. Okay. Rain. Okay, no. Rain meter. Open file location. Okay. Nothing to see here. Well, the wallpaper here, just got it a custom wallpaper. You can get it through my description and this cursor. You can get this by, let me just go to Edge real quick. Cut it out. Let's go custom um, cursors. You go to this website, and here is a lot of your custom cursors. For example, let's go to collection here. There is a lot. How to use tools home. Okay. Okay, tung 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 sahur. No. Just go more. There is a lot. Just let's just choose any one of those. Like let's choose this. Let's go to add. You have no, okay. View. Can I? They'll ask for you for this extension. Add extension. Adding to edge. Nice and easily. Now you'll go here, add. Okay, no. Successful install, of course. Let's see more. Okay, purple slime. Okay, or this emerald type of shit. And I added. Now I don't even know what happened, but I mean, you can go any website like this. Yeah, I download my cursor from this website. Like, okay, this gives me gay vibes. Okay, you can just download cursor as image, pointer as image, and let's go to pointer and cursor. There's all of those. Okay, now I will just cut it out, go to my settings, like so. Personalization. Oh my god, man, why is my pronunciation so bad now? Let's go. Where can I go? Okay, let's go to devices, mouse, additional mouse settings, pointer. Now you wanna go to this pointer section. Now go to browse, and right here go to the libraries. So as the download this PC, download, and select the one you want. Now let's go to add that, like so. Let's get another one by going to this. Whether let's see, for now we don't have much, and like so. And as you can see here, my cursor is now okay. Help, select, normal, select. Okay, now let me just browse and select the enchanted one, apply. Okay, by the way, I indeed need an animation, so I'll also use this one. Go there, browse, get that, and apply. Okay, now you've got a custom cursor right here. Okay, now you can indeed get some more rainmaker skins or so, but for me it's kind of too much. It kind of already looks good to me. By the way, guys, this pretty much was the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until then, peace.